Now, market somehow break. Already breakout by these buyers. So when already breakout by these buyers, then what happened? If buyers try to break this level and breakout happen already, so possibility here that market, if these candlesticks little jump
Yes, sir.
down or exactly start from here, closing price or little jump down, so it come to this buyers area. Which area very near? Buyers area very near. So when it come to this buyers area, so buyers will attack these sellers. So when buyers will attack these
Yes.
sellers, then possibility next candlestick will again goes up. But there are two different logic here. If this is extreme sellers entry point area, possibility sellers may also enter in the market, because the extreme buyers entry point area and extreme sellers entry point area rules here. What's the formation of extreme buyers entry point area and extreme sellers entry point area? Formation of extreme buyers entry point area and extreme sellers entry point area is sometimes market exactly close and fall down, sometimes breakout happen and fall down, sometimes got rejected and fall down. That's why sellers also may enter in the market. But if we have to just wait, we can wait for next candlesticks. So for our best understanding, we have to wait for at least one candlestick. So if the next candlestick come as a seller's candle, so one is it's a extreme seller's entry point area, and another is a level breakout happen. Already level broke. So when any level breakout, then what happened? Market try to fill up this gap by creating a retracement candle. That's why
Yes,
it's
sir.
very better that we have to wait for only one candlesticks. It will not create this size candlesticks, it may create this size candlesticks also. That's why it's also risky if we, although we can place our trade, if we want to place our trade below the level here to up direction, that time possibility it may give us loss. Why? Because of extreme area. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
that's why we have to just wait for these candlesticks. If this candlesticks volume low like this, and this is a retracement candlesticks, so now there is a fight here between buyers and sellers. When next candlesticks formed, if next candlesticks open above the level, so then this is the sellers area and this is the buyers area. So this sellers area is far away and this buyers area very near, and there is a pressure already by the buyer side. Why? Because already the resistance broke. That's why this is the pressure,
Yes, sir.
the buyer side. So when next candlestick start from here, then this area is very near. That's why buyers will attack. The fight will start by the buyer side. So this, when this fight start from the buyer side, then we have to place our trade below the buyer's area to up direction. Next candlestick will again goes up. So now this is the seller's area again, and if
Yes, sir.
there is a buyer's and there is another area here, and if there is any others level of the market, that level also we have to count. So already market released from this ranging area, right? Already trend already started. Why? Because this is low, high, higher, low, and higher high. Market already created low, high, higher, low, and higher high. That's why trend already started. So when trend already
market
started, from range, market already go to a trendy situation. That means buyers already in a power. So how we have to treat this market? we have to draw level here like this. This is our border line, support line. Why we have to
Yes,
draw?
sir.
Because it will give us a market direction. If this level breakout by any bearish candlesticks, that is the confirmation that maybe market will change the direction. But till breakout, we can think that it will continue to up direction. Okay, now this is the seller's area, this is the seller's area, and this is the buyer's area. And if any level breakout by this candle, it may any types of level, okay, then that is also area by the buyer side. So now we have to wait for another thing, that opening price. What the opening price? So here, if I give another example here, suppose this candlesticks close here with low volume. Next candlesticks, if open from here.
1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. On bearish candles high, what is this level, sir?
This one.
Bearish candle. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I already explained in our next previous class that it's a entry point of sellers,
Yes, sir.
but
Okay,
not
sir.
any major
Yes.
level. It's a minor level.
Okay, okay, sir.
So this is the rejection. What do we
Yes.
mean by rejection? Basically, this is the opening price. Who try to enter here to here? Here to here, buyers try to enter and buyers try to create this size bullish candlesticks.
Yes, sir.
Failed. Why failed? Because sellers attack. Try to understand the fight. Sellers attack the buyers from this point.
Yes, sir.
Finally, try to create a bearish candlesticks. So
Yes, sir.
now this is the entry point by the seller side. So if this is a strong area, the next candlestick will goes down. But what happened? Next candlestick goes up and it already broke. That means this area is not any major area by the seller side. This is a minor area by the seller side.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if any level breakout by this candle, any others level, that is also will act as a support level. But if there is no level breakout, then we have to take this trend line as a support level. And
Yes, sir.
this breakout level also support level, but it's better to take 50% because it's minor. Okay, 50% of
Yes,
this
sir.
candle.